Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to SK Technologies. So today's topic is how to log in a server in real-time projects. Okay. So we already know how to log in a Linux server through Putty, right? So the minimum requirements are the username, password, and the server IP. So either you can go with Putty or SSH. So CMD terminal. You can able to log in your server, right? But now, in the same way, not almost same way, but in the real time, how people are logging into the servers, and see, in the real time, there might be plenty of servers, like a bunch of servers, thousands, 2000, minimum in a project, people might be having 1000 plus servers. So, how will you remember all these passwords, right? So it's very difficult and how people are logging into the servers in the real-time projects, so we will see. So let me explain in the paint. So generally, as I told, in the real-time projects there might be multiple servers. Okay, so here you have to remember one thing. There are, see, over network only we are logging into the server, right? So network network is the, this is the crucial object. Okay, so you are sitting here, so you are sitting here, but in the real time there might be thousands of servers, right? Okay, so many servers here. Fine. So all these servers, your applications are running, and the applications are delivering to the your clients. Fine. So here interesting thing is, if you observe, so in your local side you have the one network, and here the servers wherever sitting, right? So there also one network. Okay, so here you have to remember two things. One is public network. Okay, and second thing is a private network. Fine. So public network and private network. So let's assume, guys, can you guess it, guys? Your all these servers are placed in which network? Okay, so can you guess it? So obviously these all servers are in the private network. So I will tell you the difference between public and private in simple terms. Public nothing but a the server whatever lies under the public network, so this guy can access. Okay, let's assume this server is in the public. So you are sitting here, right? So this is your server. So this can access this. Okay, so this can access this server, but this is in the public. So whatever the servers are in the public network, outside people they can able to access this. Access in the sense login. Okay, but if the server which is in the private, okay, so which is in the private, these are the private servers, private network servers. These you are you cannot access this. You cannot access this because these all are the private, only internal communication. Okay, so this internal, from this server to this server you can access, but from outside server to your server cannot access. So this is the basic difference between public and private. Okay, but I am telling that all these servers in the real time projects, all these servers are in the private network, but you want to access those, right? Then how can you? So there is no possibility to communicate your servers, access your servers from outside, if the servers are in the private network, right? If the servers are in the private network, you cannot access. then how can you access this? Okay, so now we will see that. So in the same way, your all servers are in the private network. Okay, so these all are your servers, all are in the private network. So this is a completely private network. Okay, so this is the completely private network. Fine. So let me write down here. These are the private network. Fine. Why? Because if you are providing access to the outside people, they can do anything, right? If they knows the credentials of your servers, so they can do anything. So for the security perspective, people are keeping all these servers in the private network. Okay. Then for our ultimate goal is to access these servers, right? To access these servers, you are sitting here, so you are also having some network. Fine. So you are also having some network, and you want to access the servers. So here in real time also, people are maintaining one more network. Okay, so which is a public network. So here also they are maintaining couple of servers. These servers are calling as a jump hosts. Okay, so these two servers are in the public network. So I'm I told already. So public network means these can access. These guys can access. These guys can access. From here, okay, from these jump host. So let me write down here. These are the jump host. Okay. So in the real time, this is the jump host. You should remember this word jump host. Okay. So jump host are Boston servers. Boston servers. Okay, so people can log in into this jump host first. How you logged in? So the we know already prerequisites. What are the prerequisites? One is username. Okay, so username and your password. Fine. Then your IP address, the jump host IP address. That's it. Anyhow, putty you already installed in our servers. Correct, you know how to install in case if it is not available. Okay, so you can log in into this jump server. From here you can make the ssh command to all other servers. Okay, so there might be two or more jump host based on your configurations or requirement. So you might be having two or more jump host, but this is the way happening in the real time projects. So simply, if you if you are directly logging into this your actual servers where your application is running, right? So this is not possible. Nobody will allows you. Nobody will allows you to log in directly from your mission to your this is your local. Okay, so from local to your actual servers, there might be a see definitely people are maintaining the securities, right, in the real time projects. So they don't want to allow outside people, right? So first the request coming through your jump host. From here internally, so definitely a network team, there will be a dedicated network team, so they will take care how to access these under. So here also there is a concept. Here also there is a passwordless authentications or password authentications. So anyhow, that is different scenario. But in this video, the main purpose is how to log in into the server in real-time projects. Okay, so keep remember, guys. So there are two types of networks, public and private. Okay, so then first the private means nobody will allow directly. So public means outside people can access this. So that is the reason this jump host people are keeping in the public network. Then outside people can log in. Then from jump host to you can log in into your target missions. From here to here, you can log in any server. It will allow because internally network team or OS team people are managing all this stuff. Okay. So this is the way. Still, if you have any questions, please let me know. So I will try to clarify them. Those queries. Fine. So I hope you are got this scenario. So in case if still having any questions, please let me know. Thank you guys.